everyone. I'm Yoshimi Nakahachi. I'm a Konmari certified consultant, house cleaning and tidying up company, a director. Nice to meet you. Our company, osouji-switch, started with my husband in October 2018. Through house cleaning and tidying up services, we help working women to spark joy. I was not good at tidying up. I have many hobbies. I also love learning. I have various things. I thought I was very happy, but I wanted to tidy up seriously. We had a child. We couldn't clean up reset weekend. There are three motivations to start tidying up. The first is this book from Konmari. The second one is the second book from Konmari. It was hard to do it alone. Well, I took lessons from Konmari and Mayumi 3 times. When I graduated tidying up, it's a signature written by Konmari. Then in 2014, I took Konmari consultant course. Konmari taught me directly. The 7th year. Now in workshop and make a visit lessons, we offer our services. If you are interested in our services, please access our website. Thank you.